Now I want to talk to you about consistency. How often are you consistent at anything you start? Is it that you start something, along the way you lose focus, or you lose passion, or you forget your intentions and your motivations, and then you just bow out? I don't think we should bow out, no matter the pressure that comes to us from any angle, no matter what other people think about what we are doing, because nobody has the same vision with you, nobody has the same passion with you. You know the level and the intensity of your passion, and then you have to be dedicated to it. That dedication is what will bear the consistency that you need. Don't give up along the way. Don't give up, because the real benefit is in the process more than in the result. Now the result might be outstanding for everybody to see, so they may forget that there was a process that led this result. That result is not paramount. It is the process that shapes you, it's the process that refines you, it's the process that defines you, it's the process that builds you, and you need all this. Don't give up. Be intentional in whatever you do. I can assure you one thing. There is no way you will do the same thing, the same one thing, over many weeks, over many months, over many years, over a decade, and you remain the same. There will be a difference between you and the person that started recently, because experience would have built you. You would have found out a million ways of how you failed, and then you will find out one way of how you succeeded, and that one way becomes your secret. And every man's success is in his secret. That secret will be the secret of your success, and when you have that secret, hold it close to your heart. Never let it go, because that's what will make you different. My name is the Hunter, the most holy, the Holy One, and absolutely holy Hunter.